Okay, I just hit the record button. And it switched me to left-handed, but I'll deal with it.
Access cube accepted.
Oh, hello, and welcome to the Big Table. I am Pulsar, Chief Elementron here at the galaxy's first fully automated chemistry lab. Grab hold of the railings, please. We want to show you everything so that you can give a full report back to base. If you look around you, you will observe my fellow Electron robot scientists, or Elementrons, hard at work conducting all kinds of experiments. But the heart of everything we do here at the Big Table comes down to this. The old BT itself, our CPU, the periodic table. Everything in the known universe comes from one or a combination of the elements here
This
before
is the
you.
introduction
Don't
the
believe
students
it?
will
That's
first
why we
see
have
when
the
they visit
big
this.
analyzer. My friend Carver is usually the one in charge of this machine, but he says he's happy to let you try it. Select any object from the menu, and this barter unit will instantaneously produce it for you. Go ahead, select something and put it in the analyzer. See? Everything comes from this table, from bananas to dynamite. Our Elementrons always receive special merit badges when they make breakthrough discoveries. I see no reason why you should not receive them as well. Carver says, great job, and thank you. Science can be a challenge to understand, which is why our mission at the Big Table is to make it simple for you. So, take a look around at our other machines, try some experiments, and receive your merit badges.
Okay, I believe this one, I've already looked around.
We
I
are
believe
so
this
excited
is the
to
one
finally
that
share our discoveries with the people of Earth. This machine
burns
is
it
the
up
Big
or-
Igniter. Dalton has discovered that when some substances are exposed to direct flame, they burn, while others, well, explode. Perhaps you could help him figure out which substances are the exploding ones? Do
I
be
can hold
careful,
on
though.
to that
We
thing.
are inside a giant space can, after all.
There we go. Well, I had it there. You can tell I'm really good at this. Okay, pull the switch.
Well done! All of this happened because of the nature of combustion. Click the play button on the Big Igniter to find out more.
Combustion. When a substance reacts with oxygen and produces heat, light, energy, or sound, it is a chemical reaction called combustion. Combustion occurs when the ignition temperature of a substance is reached. This can happen immediately in the form of an explosion, like when hydrogen gas is lit, or gradually, like when wood burns. These are the same combustion reactions, just happening at different rates. We rely on combustion to keep warm, cook food, move cars and planes, and even to create electricity, or the space shuttle that brought you up here to the Big Table.
I also noticed you can do stuff like this. Click on...
Elements are atoms that we have identified by their atomic number, which refers to the number of protons inside that atom's nucleus. For example, let's take a closer look at carbon. The elemental symbol for carbon is C. Above the symbol is the atomic number, 6. That means carbon has 6 protons. The number below the symbol is the atomic mass, which is the sum of protons and neutrons. Because that number is 12, we know that carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Next, in the same row is nitrogen, which has an atomic number of 7. That means nitrogen has 7 protons. Even though these two elements are only 1 proton apart, they each have many unique properties. What a difference one subatomic particle can make.
You can pull up each one like this. I wasted about 20 minutes playing with it a while ago. We might not be able to give that much time in class, but maybe tutorials. And you can do things like clicking on
Compounds.
finding out about compounds.
Elements often bond with other elements. For example, think about water.
And so anyway, cut the voice off there, but I think this might be pretty cool for our students, and I just wanted to give everybody a short introduction to it.